Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and today is quite a good day for us. Mukhang masaya yung naging tagpo sa market kanina. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung naka-join kayo doon sa maganda-gandang mga trades. Well, hopefully you did. No. So, let's start up with the market recap muna. PSE closed down at 7,738.96 or minus 0.38% this day. And as the last trading day for November, I was actually hoping, no, I was really hoping na sabi ko sana magkaroon ng kahit paano window dressing dahil end of the month. Pero no, unfortunately. Pero hindi lang tayo nag-iisa. If you are looking for a silver lining, hindi lang tayo nag-iisa. Even our neighboring markets on the red zone na din naman. So, ayun. And it appears, no, it appears that the 7,700 level is quite a strong support for us. At least for this month, we kind of from the previous month, although bumaba tayo to 7.5, ito kung makikita ninyo. But then right now, at least it is testing the 7.7 level for the past couple of days and it proves to be a strong support. So hopefully, ma-maintain niya yung at least on the 7,700 level man lang para kahit paano may pampalubag loob tayo. No? In terms of the total volume, 6.37 billion trades. 6.37 billion turnover for today. And actually, si Frutas is I think around 1.3 or 1.4 billion yung contribution niya dito. We'll talk about Frutas later on. We are still on the net foreign selling. Yesterday I mentioned na bumaba yung net foreign selling volume, which is consistent ngayon, minus, although it's still selling, pero it's negative 425 million. Kahapon nasa around minus 700, previous day minus 2 billion, and then previous day was minus 2, minus 3 billion din. So ayun, hopefully makabawi na tayo by next week, ano. So I'm really hopeful from that or on that. 125 stocks decline while unchanged is 48 and only 63 stocks advanced. Okay. Let's go to the market status. So of course, as expected, fruit is raking up the volume today because of its IPO. Pero again, we'll talk about that later on. Followed by Ali at 300 million. Okay, so si Ali bumalik na naman siya sa 45.50, well, 45 peso level niya, which I think dito tayo naglalaro eh. Nagre-range siya ng mga 43 43 up to 49.50 level. And then babalik ulit. So, ganun talaga. SM is still on the decline after all-time high siya nung Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. SMPH, BPI is still down. Okay, I think, wait nga, I'll have a quick check. Kasi BPI, I think sobrang drag na siya ngayong, na-break na yung itong support. Itong support line na to at 86 pesos. Okay. Yeah, this is not a good news since bumaba na siya dito. I'm hoping na makabalik siya on Monday. Otherwise, we might see this one dumire-diretso. At least on the next level could be this one. At around 84 pesos. So hopefully not, but then again, let's see. Okay, top gainers, LRW 16%, pero I'll just look for those with good volume. Oh, look at that. FGen. Yes. FGen balik na sa 25 pesos with 56. Actually, yun lang eh. Wala nang maganda ano. Sa losers naman, oh wow, Axilum. Wait lang. So, if that means Axilum is one of our top losers. 52-week low to malamang. Yes, it did. So, new 52-week low siya today. Kawawa naman ang mga coconuts. Oh well. So yeah, that's it. KPPI, Mooban din. Nickel nung nakaraan is ganoon din. FNI, how about yung katabi niyang, wala yung FNI dito. But okay. Anyways, so yeah, that is for the PSE. Now, let's go to the news. This morning we have received news, or we have read about the news on the Manila Water. So basically, Manila Water, there had been an arbitration case filed by Manila Water versus the government. Okay? Now, based on yung case na ni-raise nila is, dito yun eh. Sorry. Okay. It started in 2015. So basically, Manila Water, they sought arbitration after the government has failed to honor its claim amounting to 79 billion. As the government did not allow the company to raise their tariffs or their price. So basically, what he's saying is Manila Water sued the government because hindi nila pinayagan si Manila Water na magtaas ng presyo ng water. Kasi as far as I know, sa mga ganitong klaseng services like that is provided by Manila Water, they have this ang tawag doon, parang MOU, Memorandum of Agreement with the government na okay, sige, hindi kami magtataas ngayon, pero magtataas kami ng ganito. And if I'm not mistaken, the government have agreed to do that. But then, when Manila Water wanted to act on that memorandum, hindi siya pinayagan. So that's what happened here. And imagine this is 2015 pa, no? So ayun, this morning there was a news here saying na since this is an arbitration versus the government, so ibang may partner countries in terms of arbitration ruling na pwede kang doon ka mag-file ng case kasi it will be parang sort of unfair naman doon sa company ko na ang isusumo is yung the same company na mag-litigate or mag-raise sa'yo ng case, di ba? So Singapore ruled in favor of Manila Water, and they have directed the Philippine government to pay 7.39 billion for the non-implementation of the rate hikes. What? 7.39 billion lang? While yung claim is around 80 billion. So what? Only 10% of the claim? Oh well. I guess, well, sabi nga nila, mas okay na yung kaysa wala. Diba? So, ayan, that is Manila Water for you. Now, let's go to frutas today. Okay. So, fruit. Lumabas ka na. Enter ko ba? Ayan. Okay, so now let's start. As a starter, we already know that frutas IPO'd at 1.68. 1.68 pesos per share, no? And let's see here. So for ito yung I just para isa 5-minute chart para at least makita natin yung activity. It actually opened up at 1.82. Bumaba siya first few minutes dito hanggang 175, no? And then after that, dumire-diretso siya pataas. Ako, I was able to actually sell a portion of my allocation, IPO allocation sa sa 1 point, nakalimutan ko na, but I know it's naglalaro lang ako 5 or 7%. So yeah, kasi naka-GTC na siya. Pinush ko na para sabi ko I could lock in some profits, which I did. So at least kahit paano. And then I had a second tranche of selling sa 1.93 kanina. And then nalungkot ako dahil I thought, sabi ko okay na yon, tapos biglang umangat pa. I was actually believing nga na nung umabot na siya ng nasa around 38%, I was actually convinced na sabi ko, uy, shucks, ceiling play ito, ceiling play. So, ayun. Pero pinigilan ko na yung sarili ko na mag-buyback. Sabi ko, okay pa naman yung volume ko. So, sige lang, let's see. Kung mag-ceiling, o di masaya for tomorrow. Kung hindi, then at least meron akong nakuha, di ba? So, ayun. The sell-off actually happened, what time to? Around 2:30. 225, 230. Grabe yung look at this volume. Ang taas, no? Talagang binentahan. Now, my personal take here is because of the volatility ng market, well, hindi volatility I'd say dahil sa sentiment, medyo bearish or negative sentiment ng market in general, hindi lang naman sa fruit but even in the whole PSE. Nagkaroon na parang sabi nila, well, let's habang up pa tayo, let's have a quick profit taking na muna. And I think that is what happened here. Etong part na to. After the hype nung the IPO, binentahan na siya sa dulo. No? Let's check. So, fruit. Okay. Now, let's get onto this board. So, yung bid and ask board. It closed at, we know it closed at around 1.79, no? Pero, kasi yung 1.79, 929,000 shares yung nakasalang. And then there is, since closed na pala tong dashboard na nakikita natin, so hindi na siya, yung katulad kanina sana, I was hoping na yung makikita natin yung actual last bid and then last ask. Pero wala, hindi na nangyari. Anyways, kung mapansin natin dito, yung last 5 minutes, sell down na ang nangyari. Sell down na siya. So, what could happen or what may happen on Monday? I'm very interested, to be honest. I'm very interested to see. Oh, wait lang. Sorry, I was thinking 179. No, tama pala. This is 171. My bad. Sorry, guys. So, ayun. 171. So, tama pala ito. Merong sharp resistance or strong resistance dito at around 23 million shares from 31 people or from 31 placed ask. Again, if I will just look at this number here, I'd say on Monday mukhang possible na bumaba yung value ni Frutas. It could go back to 168. Ako siguro maglalagay na ako ng sarili kong maglalagay na ako ng, magsasalang na ako ng GTC. Siguro at the 1.62, 1.63 level. Na once na mabit yun, cut loss na muna ako. So, ayun. But then again, we'll see. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. No? Okay, so I think yun lang tayo today. Just a very, very quick recap of what happened, especially sa IPO ni Fruit. I would still see this as a successful IPO from BDO and First Metro. Hindi umabot siya ng up to 45% at the middle of the day, but then sa dulo wala nahila pa rin siya ng mga gustong mag-quick profit. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for listening. Oh, by the way, I was actually planning to do this on the weekly lang or during merong pangalan nito, kapag merong market. So since wala tomorrow and on Sunday, so we'll see each other again siguro on Monday na after the mga around 8 p.m. I'm trying to record this video mga around 7 p.m. Yeah, 6:30 to 7 p.m. and I am trying to upload it at around 8. Past couple of nights, mga around 9 ko na napopost, but I'll try to post it at around 8 p.m. Okay? So that's it, guys. Once again, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have questions or you have comments, please write down below, and we'll see you again. That's it. Thank you. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye.